Want to type faster with just one finger? Ever tried gliding your finger across the keyboard to form words? Here's how to turn on and use swipe to type on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open any app where the keyboard appears, like when you are writing a note. Then tap Settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap Swipe Thoughts and Feedback. Tap Keyboard Swipe Controls. Now choose Swipe to type. To see how to use this feature, go back to your note. Start gliding your finger from one letter to the next to form word. If auto spacing on, your phone will automatically insert a space before the next word. Keep gliding to continue typing. It's smooth, fast, and you don't need to tap each letter individually. Given to the function, swipe to type is perfect when you are typing one-handed or on the go. It makes composing text or quick note faster and more comfortable, especially when you have auto spacing enabled for smooth word separation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.